In some countries, Nigerians are treated as monkeys. One of the richest oil producing country in the whole universe. That chain that is holding Nigeria will break in this night in Jesus' name. If we must be one Nigeria, let it be one Nigeria. If we cannot be one Nigeria, let us divide. Oh! I repeat it so that when they begin to misquote me, catch me right. Those who are coming to arrest, get ready to be arrested too by the heavenly powers. If we have to be one Nigeria, let it be one Nigeria. But if we cannot be one Nigeria, let us divide. If it is divided, some Igbo people would like to be Hausa. Of course, you know that. So everybody should go to where he wants to go to. There are some Igbo people who have no hut in their father's house here, but they have 10-story buildings in Abuja, in Lagos. Have you ever seen any upstay built by an Hausa man in Igbo land? One Nigeria. You're not even a hut. What is happening? Let us tell ourselves the truth.